In this video, you'll learn how to download music to your iPhone using the Documents app. This app is available for free on the App Store, and it's a great way to download music onto your device without having to use iTunes. I will walk you through the process of finding and downloading a song using the Documents app. This is easy to use and makes downloading music to your iPhone a breeze. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, open up your App Store and simply search for Documents. And then download this exact app over here. After you download that app, find a source from which you want to download music. So to show an example, I'm simply going to search for Pixabay on Google and tap on this search result over here. Royalty-free music download, but you can use any other service that you like. After that, I'm simply going to scroll down and find a random song to download. Let's download this song, so in order to do that, let's tap on this green button right next to that song. Then let's press the download button. Once you do that, tap on this downward pointing arrow at the bottom left corner. And then select Downloads. And now go ahead and tap on the song that you downloaded. And then tap on this icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And a menu will appear. So from this menu, simply tap on Copy to Documents. And now all you have to do is go back to the Documents app and tap on that song, and you should be all set. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.